Everyone, I will to show you how to learn making creative things. This is a new creation, how to make a cute hair accessories. I hope you like and enjoy making it. And don't forget, like, subscribe and comment my video. And now I will show you what's the material for making the cute hair accessories. The materials are ribbon, you have two colors, scissors, thread and needle, pincet, pearl, stamina, hair clip, lighter or candle, and glue gun. The first step, you take a ribbon, and you cut the ribbon with the weight with 2.5 centimeter and the length 15 centimeter. You need 6 petals. The second, you cut the ribbon, the width 2.5 centimeters and the length 10 centimeters. The second step, you take the ribbon, this is the length 15 centimeters. You fold, give a center mark, and the each side here you fold up, you fold up. The other side you fold up. And you skewer like this. Again, you fold, you give a center mark, each side you fold up. And you skewer. You need 6 petals for 1 flower. The other colors, you take the length 10 centimeters, you fold like this, give a center mark here, and you fold down. You fold down. The other side you fold up like this. So you like this, and this side you fold up, and here you fold down. Like this, and you skewer. Again, you fold into 2 parts, give the center mark. The other side you fold down, and this is the fold up, and you fold up, and here you fold down, and like this, and you skewer like this. You need also 6 petals for one flower. And then you take a thread, a needle, okay, you take the one petal and you sew. Yes. You need six petal. Like this. And you pull. And you, after that you skewer and we form a flower like this. For the other colors, you take one petal and thread a needle. Also you sew like this. Six petal. You can, and now you pull. After you pull and you skewer. Until like this. If you have two flowers, the big flowers you arrange under the small flowers like this, and take a hot glue, give the glue and release this. Okay. The next step, you take a stamen like this, you cut, okay, you give you put this. And the last step, you give the pearl, take a pincet to make easier, and give the glue. You need 1 or 3, up to you. And this is this last step. You give the hair clip and put under the flower. Give the glue first and put like this. And the cute hair accessories have been made. Bye bye.